have some treasure out here, folks. Possibly, oh, maybe. Let's see what we got. Good morning, everyone. Whatever time it is for you folks, but it is morning. There's no sun out. It's going to pour today, apparently. I mean, absolutely pour. So I am preparing for that. This looks very disappointing. That looks kind of cool. Oh, I can use those oars. I mean, they look ancient, but I think I can maybe use them. That's the front to an air conditioner. Where's the rest of it? These are like for a kid or something. That almost looks like it's just the top to one. Oh, it doubles as a porta potty kind of, or a potty trainer. Kind of neat. You know, the high chairs. One of those things that everyone thinks is probably worth some money, collectible. Go to antique store, they're 60, 70 bucks. It's one of those things that just does not sell. I had a really nice high chair and I brought it, I think 4 or 5 times to the flea market a couple of years back. Eventually I just gave up and donated it. It was a nice old antique wood one, oak wood. And I donated to a thrift store. It lasted at the thrift store for 4 weeks and then just disappeared. So either they just threw it away or someone bought it eventually. But I'm grabbing this guy because why not? I don't need any of that other stuff. Yep. So we'll try this one. I don't know. I mean, it's small, so it's not taking up a ton of space. It's old. It's got the little beads. So we'll give it a go. Little potty trainer. Antique potty trainer. Anyway, welcome back, everyone. It's trash day. It's going to pour. It's going to rain. But we're not taking a day off. No, we're completing this thing. We're doing it. Let's find some treasure. I don't know if the next clip will be good or the clip after that, but it is going to rain, and I mean rain. Let's get into it. All right, this is marked free. Not a clue what it is. Over there it looks like a laundry basket. But if it's marked free, it might be for me. It is definitely not for me. A bunch of pine discs. No, probably not. So these actually make good centerpieces for a rustic wedding, which is maybe why they're here. I mean, there's a very good. So this is the problem when you sell this stuff. So I did this for, this is actually birch, it looks like. So that's not pine, that is pine. And I believe that's called paper birch. I used to sell this on eBay when this trend was ridiculously hot. I don't know who's gonna take this, to be honest. But what I didn't like is the bark. As you see, all this bark is missing. That would happen in transit or just by storage. So they'll get it like this and they'll be like, it's like missing half the bark. Or you'll probably see right here, there's a couple splits. Sometimes that split will go all the way to the end and you can almost snap them in half. I don't know why that's marked free. But I mean, you can burn the birch. If you have an outdoor burner, you can burn the pine. But people who do like firewood in their house never burn pine. It has a lot of creosote. So it's actually kind of dangerous if you burn a lot of it. Clog up your chimney. I don't burn anything. I do have a friend who has an outdoor burner, but I'm not heading that way, so I don't want to transport bugs and all that kind of stuff. Also, there's not really a lot of wood there. Realistically, there's probably, with his burner, maybe an hour's worth of an hour's worth of heat. So, yep, not for me. Interesting that they'd have free on it, you know? It's like, I guess so. It's raining now. We made it to the afternoon. It's I wouldn't say it's pouring, but it's raining a lot. And we're back. Trash picking afternoon. Ain't taking the day off. Might get a little soaking wet. I'm waiting for this hoodie to just be drenched, but what are you going to do, right? Sleep in? Maybe. Could. Take a nap. At least it's nice. It could be snow. It's 48 degrees Fahrenheit. I know some people were saying something about Celsius and Fahrenheit the other day. It could be snow. If it was about 15 degrees colder, it'd be snow right now, and that's not pleasant. Walking up here. Can't believe I just opened the door. Thinking this is an ammo box. Huh? It is. Cartridge for weapons. I think it says something on the back. 81 millimeter. Wow. That's I feel like that's a very large piece of ammo. Now something like that, I believe that's actually aluminum. It might be steel, but it certainly will not be scrapped. Military stuff seems to always do well. Sometimes military and hunting get a little confusing, but that's clearly military related. Now, I guess we go right. Lovely. Oh, jeez. Underneath, I'm not going to say it. This thing says it works. Huh. So it's gas. I think this is gas. Gas dryer. Wow. Wait a sec, it says gas dryer. Alright, I'm no genius, so I don't know how that works. It looks like electric to me, but unless that came off, I don't know. I don't understand how this is a gas dryer if it has the electric plug, but I'm not a genius when it comes to this stuff. Might seem kind of dumb there, but I thought there was a difference between an electric dryer and a gas dryer, unless you can do both. I see a whole bunch of stuff up here. I'm already soaking wet. You might not be able to see on camera, but it's that point where it's not enjoyable to be soaking wet. What the heck is that thing? Oh! Wow, that is really cool. I think I have to grab that. I don't know why, but standing underneath a tree when it's raining makes it feel 10 times worse. It's like the rain hurts more. Kind of parked kind of far away here. It's not really a busy road anyway. Check this out. Oh, it's broken. Nice. Ah, that might just need a screw. Nope. Maybe a little bit more than a screw. Really cool. I've never seen one in that pattern. Oh, it's nice and heavy too. Jeez Louise. Huh. That's pretty cool. Can't wait for that to fall over and crush my other things. Maybe I should move that, right? That'd probably be the smart thing to do. Move the other thing. Or I can lay this down. Probably two smart things. Two smart things equal one smart thing. Oh, jeez. Why is that so heavy? 2,000 plus videos on YouTube, and I feel like I get smarter every single video. That, or I just finally realized what I need to do and what I don't need to do. Okay, now I'm in the, well, this town had their bulk pickup. It's kind of unfortunate. So that town I was just in, they're switching their trash picking schedule. I mentioned that in one of my other videos. Now, how the heck did that happen? Anyway. So today will no longer be the day that the trash is picked up in that town. And the reason why I mention that is because this town I'm in now, which had their bulk pickup, they don't really like, that stuff never happens. So they must have just forgot to put it out and hope somebody would come along. But I don't know what my schedule is going to look like for next year. So about that first town, we'll be in town 3 here in a second. And usually I only find like 1 or 2 items. So either we're making YouTube shorts all next year or we're changing up the schedule, I guess. And although you might be thinking maybe I should just go out the other day is actually, oh, come on, dude. How's it going? I'll be quick. Yeah, you too. Yeah. No, I got it, thanks. That was one of those lovely situations in life where they're saying something to you, but you can't understand what they're saying, so you just like nod your head and say yes. I got the last part. The last part was like, do you need help? And I said, no, I got it, thanks. But the other thing that the guy, I have no idea what he said. It's one of those nod your head and say, yep, nope, kind of thing. You know, you know. Kind of like that gray. There's a nice color gray on that house. You know how they have that saying, like, run it till the wheels come off? I feel like this is one of those things where you run it till the chair just doesn't act as a chair. Oh, buddy. I don't know what the heck that thing is, but that was inside. Everything was falling off. How are we going to do this? This is also interesting. The bottom of it is like an extra extension. I don't think I've picked up one that has that on it. Looks like, I don't know, whatever. This might be aluminum. Fun fact, the last time I grabbed the aluminum chairs, the guy at the scrapyard didn't make his weekly joke about it. Which is kind of depressing because I'm like, dude, I've had good luck this year, somewhat. Not the best luck in the world, but I'm still here. I'm still doing the thing, and it's tradition. Tradition for you to make that joke about the aluminum chairs. They just didn't do it. So maybe on those, if they're aluminum, I didn't test them yet, but they're pretty light. All right, we got something going on with these tires. What the heck is flapping around? Oh, it's this stupid thing. There was something. It's a rock. Sounds almost like a flat tire. As someone who lives on a gravel driveway, the sound of a stone being stuck in the tread of your tire sounds exactly like a flat tire. So whenever I hear it, it's either a flat tire or there's a stone in there. It's almost always a stone. All right, so it's still raining out here. It's gonna rain actually the rest of today into tomorrow morning, so that will be fun to deal with. This is all of our wonderful treasure. You guys see my table over there. I got my chair. Somewhere in here is my paddles. We do have some metal, so let me actually go ahead and test this. I think it's aluminum. It's aluminum. That's nice. That is nice. Yeah. Well, hold on. Maybe tomorrow I'll go ahead and cut this right here, there, and then on the other side, because then that whole chunk looks to be clean aluminum, and that shouldn't take too long. The only issue is you go through blades quite quickly. Cutting on aluminum isn't as bad as cutting brass. Brass really chews up the blades. Aluminum doesn't really do that, but blades are money. I do have a lot. Whenever I go to auctions and I buy contents or they have tools at the sale, I always try to pick up the blades. In fact, one trick I do is if they have Sawzalls there, sometimes, especially if it's like a used Sawzall, they might have a pack of blade that comes with the Sawzall. So I'll buy the Sawzall just for the blades. I get it for like $3 or $5 for a pack that's worth $15. And everyone's like, well, you don't know if that tool works. Well, I'm not buying it for the tool. That's the fun part about it. But yeah, this is what we grabbed. It is raining. It's going to rain for quite some time. Thanks for tagging along. Camera's getting wet. I apologize if the screen's been blurry at any point of this video. But I'm going to go inside and get dry. Sit down, maybe get some work done. Thanks for tagging along for another episode with Taco Stacks. If you guys enjoy, hit the like button, subscribe down below. Till next time, have a great day. Keep living the dream. Peace.